can see this is a big fat Chinese knife. They are very good cutting pieces. Drop off. I gotta clean this up. Alright, let's see if you can see how I cut. You gotta be very careful with nails. You gotta protect yourself from the knife. Alright. And you see there are a lot of seeds. Okay, this one I'm gonna give to my dog, Izzy. Okay. So these seeds are pretty small. I don't think I need to worry about it. Just cut into small pieces and alright, so let's cut this way first. Alright, and turn around, cut again, small pieces, because when you cook pancake, not so much time, you need the apple to be very small. Yesterday I made a apple pizza. It's kind of like the Hawaiian style. I didn't put many meat, just apple and tomato sauce and cheese. That's it. And make it very good. It was a very good pizza. Except I put in the lower rack in the oven, so it's kind of burned at the pizza. But still, we liked it. We liked the pizza. Anyway, today's apple. Small pieces. They are pretty good. As you can see, they are very small. They're very easy quick to cook. Alright, now this is usual. And make a mix. I'm supposed to have a bigger bowl, but I don't have that one. Anyway, there I go. So it's gonna be 1 cup. Where's my cup? Where's my cup? Oh, a mess. Where's my cup? Measuring cup? I don't see that. Anyway, just use this cup. I think I need because there's an apple, I think I need only 1 cup of flour. A little bit short, so 1 cup of flour. Alright, kitchen sink is a mess. I'm gonna use a spoon and a fork to make a beat. I don't have the blender, so anyway. And do it in the kitchen or in the hand. That's pretty easy to mix. Add more water. Okay, it's gonna take a while, but anyway. Too thick. More water. Well, I hope the camera will turn out okay, because it's probably too low or too high. But anyway. It's not too bad. It's not so much pancake. It's probably low because that cup is smaller than measuring cup. So anyway, I think that's good enough. And make it very smooth. Almost no bumps. Okay, I'm ready to cook. Okay, stick this pan, fire up. This should be very quick. I just use vegetable oil because I'm lazy. I can use butter. Lazy. Okay, so you put the apple inside. This pancake is going to be very apple-y. Alright, So let's see. What is this? Oh, I don't need it. I forgot to take this off. Anyway, that's a little end of the one end of the apple, and mix everything. It's going to be very quick. Mix together. It's almost same consistency. Make sure its consistency is good. Alright, let's see. Screw them up, even this out. The frying pan is stickless, so it's very good. So far, I'm making only about 5 minutes, 7 minutes. And the pancake is going to be ready in 10 minutes with apple. Alright, I think this is the oil mixer is all good. Ready? Spatula. There we go. This is probably too much. Let's see. Okay, this is going to be the first pancake live video. Okay. The apple is probably too much. Yeah, I need to cut the apple smaller. The smaller apple will taste even more smooth. But anyway. By the way, this is the very first time I make the apple pancake, so it's quite an experiment. I used to, in my graduate school, doing chemistry experiment. I try new things and do new research and finally get some new compounds from a chemical reaction. So there we go. It's coming on pretty good. Make sure the oil is even. Oh, I probably put too much oil. Anyway, this is the grapeseed oil. Okay, grapeseed oil here. Oh, got it from Costco. Grapeseed oil. They are very good. So a little bit of oil, and especially my wife's eating healthy, so she's trying to stay away from the high fat, greasy, and it's gonna be me and my boys gonna eat those pancakes, and they should be good. All right. Looks like a turning brown and golden. Should be good, and reduce the power to medium. Don't eat that fast. It'll burn a little bit if I don't want to burn. Okay. Okay, the flame's good. Everything looks good. I think it's ready to flip. Okay, very good. Ooh, golden. Looks nice. Okay, the plate is ready. Okay, I think this is ready. Give it one more minute. 8:34. We're gonna go to church in a minute, so. Alright, 34. We waited for 35. I'm gonna take this out, chop into small pieces, and ready for the guys to eat. I can cut it into quarters. Okay. Cut in quarters. I can smell it is ready. Slightly burned. It should be fine. There we go. Okay, there they are already. Okay.